This is my version of option chain data. The problem is, on NSE website, it provides you only the current snap of the data and not the previous or the historical view of option chain. In order to get that, you need to buy some data services from NSE or any other service or data provider, but it will definitely incur some cost. However, I continuously keep tracking and fetching the data automatically from NSE website, which populates the value and further formulate and labels it. Okay. This at least gives me the first glance or high level of understanding of the market position or strength and weaknesses, but again it need not be 100% as it looks. Why? We'll explain it further. Now this slide indicates the option chain for a specific strike. So I have made use of 19,800 strike. Okay, as I said, I keep curating the data from NSE website. So NSE website gets updated every 2 minutes. So in the data, as you see, the change in call OI was increasing, which is this 89,300, which isn't positive. So it labeled it as up, call OI change. Also, the call price increased by 46 rupees. So again, the price also changed, which is up. So since both this are towards increasing trend, so this is labeled as long build up. Okay. Similarly, on the other side, the price decreased by 234 rupees. So the price is down, while the change in put OI is increasing. Price down, OI increase, which is indication of short build up. Okay, this was working pretty fine until here. Okay, you see the last spot was at 19,834 when this all worked perfectly, but suddenly the auction chain started getting some change. So the first change was in the call price. The call price was plus 40 rupees at 487. It changed to minus 25 rupees and now it was trading at 425. So the price down and the OI still up. It indicates short build up. Okay, since we started getting short build ups at call side, it indicates that even the spot will keep getting lower. Okay, if you look, all these are getting short build up. It was minus 25, then it came down to minus 28, then minus 32, and still the change in OI was in increasing trend. 99,000, 94,000, 96,000. In the previous slide I was saying that it need not be 100% true as it shows. If it is long build up, then long build up, then it is short build up here, then it's getting short and it will continue to go short. It may happen that many people tried to short the calls, but there were few people or few individuals who attempted long during that session. Okay, look at the last example, last line, this one, it still indicates short build up because the change in call OI is still up because it is in positive 94,500. The price is still down, which is minus 13 rupees at 433.
So this example gives or concludes it to be short build up. But if you think logically, it was minus 32 and now it is minus 13. What could have happened here is, though there are many shorts getting into the system, there were few longs. Okay, who tried to buy at this lowest price, which is 414, and trying to recover the market. Okay. So in order to study the option chain in detail, you also need to look at the change in price. Okay, because this indicates, is it continuously getting down, down, and down, or if there's even a bit recovery, a little recovery, that indicates that even in the period of fall, there were certain individuals who either are creating long positions, okay, or there may be another possibility that they have covered their shorts, okay. So let's say I made a short build up here at minus 32, but suddenly I decided to close my position, okay, because it was around 310 or 315. I need to close the day, and there were some individuals who were taking longs, which increased this or recovered the price a bit. So in order to close my short build up, I had to, you know, cover my shorts at whatever the price is given, which will give a little boost to the price which has already fallen. Okay. I understand it will be a little difficult to uh, get everything or understand all about option chain now, but yes, you will have to keep practicing it. Uh, it is a complex logic, but yes, slowly and slowly, as you start getting into it, as you start at least reading it, as if the price is falling and the OI is falling or increasing, what it ideally indicates. Once you start practicing this this four stages, you will be able to read the option change really well. Lastly, if at any specific strike, if there are more put short than the call short, that indicates to be strong surface or very strong support. That first will not be broken. Second, if at all broken, that may be regained. Okay. If you notice or observe only long build up at both the side, that indicates indecisiveness in the market. Since there are no shorts, people are not ready, or the big traders are not ready to take position, because even they are not sure which way the market will trade. Giving you example, to identify the strong support or the resistance, let me go back. So in this example, we somewhere closed around 19400 zones, it seems. Let me check once if we really closed around that level. Yes, I believe the closing was at 19352 or so. So yes, the 19400 strike is highlighted by the Excel. Okay, we'll try to gauge the nearest support and the nearest resistance. For support, we need to look at the put side. Okay, so the highest net OI at put side I see is 2,81,000. However, of this, I see 1,61,000 to be added during last trading session, and even that indicates to be long build up. But as I said, it need not be true that all this 1,61,000 are long build up. You look at the put price change, it is just plus 3.05 rupees. Okay, so in order to analyze this, you need to look through such data, which gives you the in-depth details and understanding as to when market started, what was the actual position, or how many change in put OI was there and at what price change. Okay. So this indicates me to be still a strong support because all this 1,62,000, 61,000 are not long build-ups. Maybe 30% of it are long build-up, but still around 2 lakh I expect this to be short build-up. So yes, my next support I can see on this uh, table is to be 19,000. Okay, looking for the next resistance. Okay, here we have 3,77,000 as net OI, of which 1,96,000 were added during the last trading session. I see one minus 127 to be the change in price. Now this is bit tricky. This is bit tricky because again, in order to analyze this 1,96,920, we need this level of data as to what was the opening position. Was that already short build up? If the day started with short build up or long build up, if it was long build up and it was already holding some, let's say 2 lakh or 1 lakh 50 long build up there, then it's not that weak. So again, it is important to see the net OI and the change in OI, and within the change in OI, what is that exact volume that belongs to short build up or the long build up. This level of understanding from the data will help us to gauge the strength and weakness in the market. Okay, I suggest you start reading this first, interpreting the price and change in OI, and then capturing the data at the best possible intervals that you can, and then studying it. I'm sure you will be having a lot of questions and not even clear with a lot of concept. Those who are listening this for the first time about option chain, but trust me, this is one of the jewel. If you understand, if you make use of it, you will get quite a lot benefit out of this. All right. Thank you. Do ask me if you have any query, any suggestion, any feedbacks. Okay. Lastly, do subscribe and share the channel. Thank you. Stay safe. Trade safe.